Hello again everyone, and welcome back to Adelaide Boat Sales. I'm Kieran, and today we're bringing you a 2013 Bavaria 46 Vision. Now we're down at the Cruising Yacht Club of South Australia. It's not a bad day, there's not much wind around, but we've previously taken this boat out for a bit of a sail and a sea trial. So today we'll go through the boat and point out why the Bavaria 46 Vision is at the height of its game. At the helm, you can see instrumentation is right there in front of you, access to your chart plotter, your instruments, very handy when you're cruising. Right next to your pedestals on either side is your control panel for electric winches. So it doesn't matter whether you're entertaining or you are out sailing, this boat is easily managed by one person regardless of how many crew you have on board. It's quite easy to operate the electric winches from the helm, and you've got in-mast furling main and furling genoa. Stepping below decks, as you can see, there's an extraordinary amount of natural light. It's a large cabin, there's good headroom. I'm 6 foot, so plenty of headroom here. The grab rails running down either side of the centre line, fantastic for when you're traversing the cabin while underway. As you can see, she's a beautiful finish inside, quite light timbers. With the light and the finish, she just feels fantastic, very roomy, very spacious. The Bavaria Vision range of yachts were designed for sailors who would like to spend extended periods on board and not compromise on comforts and luxuries. This Bavaria 46 Vision does present very well and is ready to sail away. So please do contact Adelaide Boat Sales today for more information. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.